Hi, Beefy Besties. It's so cold out, so Meters and I are bundled up. And we're off to PetSmart because we need to get all the supplies we need before a major snowstorm hits. Meters is all snug in his little winter jacket. Meters, are you ready to go shopping safely? Mano, you're such a meaty sir friend. How would you like it if I licked you all the time, sir? Good grief, Beef. Let's go shopping when meets. Let's go shopping, my Meters. You're such a meaty boy. That's a cat. It's a boy. He just looks fabulous in pink.
Look at the bling on you, eh?
You're a meaty boy, sir. You want to see the friends, Money? What are you doing, Mano? You're a handsome baby. I love you, Money. Does that make you happy?
Did you find a happy place?
There you go, Money. Let's go visit the adoptable biddies. Oh, we have Dragon Roll. Sleeping away. Hello, madam. And we have Bogart, a 5-year-old male, sleeping away as well. And we've got hashtag. Hi, pretty lady. Come on, my meat. We're gonna go find you some food, sir. Hold on, sir. We're trying to get you the good stuff.
What are you smelling? You smell something.
Hold on, Beefers.
Look at the accessories here, you know?
He is very spoiled. Pollock is a lean white fish that is safe for cats with pancreatitis. So we're gonna give this a try, Mano. You're a spoiled beef, sir. Come on, my love. You're such a meaty boy, sir. My needs, you need this, sir. What do you smell, Meters?
So his name is Beef.
Come on, my Meters, we're trying to find you food, sir.
Pork liver, beef liver. Stella and Chewy does have a cat.
You're being ridiculous, Beef. You're being a slow beef today, sir. It's all the doggos, isn't it? It's all the doggies, sir. I know, my love. That's gonna be for you, sir. Those are for you, friend. Hold on, Beefy baby. You can't go over there, sir. Till next adventure, Beefy boy. Don't forget to tell your besties, Beef, to like, repost, and subscribe for the beefiest content, good sir. Meters, my love. Go get in your seat, sir.